Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Ataullah Shah. In this demonstration, I am going to show to you how to calculate holding period return on shares of a company. For this demonstration, I have selected Atak Refinery and a hypothetical company ABC Limited. The HPR that we shall calculate will be for 4 years 2002, serving as the starting year. For calculating holding period return, we shall need share prices data with which we will be able to calculate capital gain, and we will need dividend percentage and face value. With these two information, we will be able to calculate dividend per share. Now let's start finding these information. The share prices data can be downloaded from the Business Recorder website. The Business Recorder website has the address brecorder.com. When the B-Recorder page opens, you shall see a link on the upper left side, Stock and Bonds. Click on this link. On the next page, click Karachi Stocks, and you shall see a window with multiple options. From this window, we shall select the sector of the company to which the company belongs. In our case, the sector is refinery, and we shall select any date from this drop down menu and click Go. When the new page opens, you shall see Atak Refinery link. Surprisingly, our company is not given over here. This problem occurs sometimes with B-Recorder. We shall try again, and this time again we are going to scroll down to refinery sector and again give some more other combination of date, and I press again the Go button. Hopefully this time we shall see Atak Refinery. Yes, so click on that. You shall see a new pop-up window. To the upper right hand side, a drop down menu is there. From that we will select our desired date. Our date is year 2002, so select the December 2002, so that we obtain data for the year 2002. The share price for Atak Refinery in the year 2002 is 84. Select this date. Mind you that you should select you should collect the share prices data on December 31st, and that should be the closing share price. Copy that, bring it to the year 2002. We shall repeat the same process for the year 2003, December 2003. The share price for Atak Refinery is 66.6. Copy that, bring that to the Excel worksheet, and so on. Now I shall stop the recording for a while, and I will repeat the other steps so that I have time saving. Now after bringing in all the share prices data, now we shall need dividend percentages. The dividend percentages are given in Excel files that have been uploaded for you to our class websites, that is sites.google.com/site/IMS Peshawar. Go to the investment analysis and portfolio management class. Click on data sources, and at the bottom of the page you shall see these Excel files D2001.xls up to D2008.xls. We shall download this Excel file and all other Excel files so that we collect data from these files. Now the dividend percentage and face value data is given in all these files. We are waiting for the file to open. Now the file is open now. Now to quickly search for the Attic Refinery Company, I will press Ctrl F and then write Attic, and the first company is Attic Cement, but we require Attic Refinery. Now the second company is Attic Refinery Limited. The face value per share is this one. I'm going to highlight that in yellow, and the dividend percentage is 50% right after this dividend percentage column. I shall also highlight that in yellow. We shall copy both of this information into our Excel sheet and repeat the same process for all other years. Again, I'm going to stop the video for a while. Okay, now that I have brought all the required data into the Excel worksheet, one correction I have made while the video was off, that was the dividend was for the year 2003, not for 2002. Okay, now to calculate holding period return, we shall divide the capital gain and dividend per share on the initial value. Now let's do that. Put equal sign and then open brackets. Capital gain is equal to current price in 2003 minus the previous price in 2002, that is equal to capital gain. We shall add this capital gain with dividend per share. Dividend per share is equal to this dividend percentage multiplied into face value per share divided by 100. Now this second bracket will give us, this whole bracket gives us dividend per share. Now we shall divide both of capital gain and the dividend per share on the initial value of investment. Initial value of investment or the share price in the previous period is 84. So click on this cell, that is C3. Okay, now press enter and this shall give you holding period return for the year 2003. Now you don't have to write the whole formula for all other years. You can simply drag this formula clicking on this lower end of the cell and drag it down, and the holding period return for all the 4 years will be calculated. Now I use some hypothetical data for the second company, and I shall calculate the holding period return for second company, and I'm again putting the video on hold while I am doing that. Okay, now I have repeated the same process for the second company, ABC Limited. In the next video I'm going to show to you how to calculate arithmetic average of all these holding period returns, then geometric average of these holding period returns, then standard deviations of these returns, the covariance between the returns of Attic Refinery and ABC, the correlation coefficient, and then in the third video I will show to you how to find the portfolio, how to make portfolios, find the portfolio return, risk, and make efficient frontier. Thank you very much for your time and patience.